A very good morning, students. Today we talk about the science topic Unit 2 Motion. The basic introduction of motion is the change in the position of any object with respect to its surrounding. Everything is the universe is in motion. Even though an object seems to be not moving, actually it is moving because Earth is moving around the sun. You may see objects moving in your surrounding. Cars along the road, trains along the track, and aeroplanes in the sky are the moving. This movement is one type of motion. You may see the fan rotating in the ceiling. This is another type of motion. When you are playing in swing, it is moves to and fro. This is also a type of motion. Motion is described in terms of distance, speed, acceleration, and time. So let us move on to the portion. What is rest and what is motion? Okay, in physics, the object which do not change their position are said to be at rest. So what is rest? The object which do not change their position are said to be rest. For example, a book lying on the table, the the clock set into the wall. These are the example for rest. So next, what is a motion? The object moving to one place to another place. This position are said to be motion. For example, cars and buses running on the road, bird and aeroplanes flying in the air are in the example for motion. Motion is a relative phenomenon. This means that an object appearing to be in motion to one person can appear to be at rest at viewed by another person. For example, trees on roadside would appear to move backward from a person traveling in a car, while the same tree would appear to be at rest for a person standing on the roadside. This is for a good example for motion. So what is rest? The object no moving to one place to another place is called rest. What is motion? The object moving one place to another place is called a motion. So next let us see types of motion. It is very important detailed questions. Okay. In physics, motion can be classified as below: linear motion, circular motion, oscillatory motion, and random motion. First let us see linear motion. What is linear motion? Motion along a straight line. Movement of your body in a straight line or curved line. It is called linear motion. For example, where all paths move at the same speed and distance, same direction at the same time. For example, running. Running is a linear motion is a good example. So next let us see circular motion. What is circular motion? Motion of a particle along the circumference of a particle of a circle is called a circular motion, or motion along a circular path. For example, motion of the earth, moon around the earth, motion of the earth around the sun. This one is a good example for circular motion. Next let us see oscillatory motion. What is oscillatory motion? Respective to and fro motion of an object at a regular interval of time. You must have played on swings. A swings move from one extreme position to another and back again. It takes the same time for every such complete swings. One complete swing is called as a oscillation, such as a back and forth respective motion is called as a oscillatory motion. Okay. Next let us see random motion. What is random motion? Motion of the object which does not fall in any of the above categories. This is called random motion. So next let us see uniform and non-uniform motion. First you will discuss about uniform motions. What is uniform motion? An object is said to be in uniform motion. It is covers equal distance in equal interval of time. It is called uniform motion. For example, consider a car which covers 60 km in first hour, 60 km in second hour. For 1 hour, covers in 60 kilometer, and another 1 hour it covers in other again 60 kilometers, and another 60 kilometer in third hour. So the car covers equal distance at equal interval of time. We can say that the motion of the car is uniform motion. அந்த ஹவர்ஸில் ஈக்குவலாக அந்த கிலோமீட்டர்ஸை கிராஸ் ஆகுது. ஸோ ஈக்குவலாக ஒவ்வொரு ஹவர்ஸ்லேயும் 60 வரனால இது யூனிஃபார்ம் மோஷன். So next let us see non-uniform motion. What is non-uniform motion? An object is said to be non-uniform motion. It covers unequal distance in unequal interval of time. Equal interval of time la unequal distance or equal irukadu. Okay, now consider a bus starting from one stop. It proceeds slowly when it is passes through covered area of the road. Suppose it manages to travel nearly 100 meters in 5 minutes due to heavy traffic, and it is about to the travel about 2 kilometers in 5 minutes when the road is clear. Hence the motion of the bus is non-uniform. ஃபஸ்ட்டு வந்து 5 மினிட்ஸுக்கு 100 மீட்டர் தான் போக முடிஞ்சு, அதே செகண்ட் ஒன் வந்து அதே 5 மினிட்ஸ்க்கு 2 கிலோமீட்டர் போக முடியும். ஸோ என்ன ஆகுது, டைம் வந்து சேம், இன்டர்வல் ஆஃப் டைம் வந்து சேம், பட் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் வந்து டிஃபர் ஆகுது. இதுதான் நான் யூனிஃபார்ம் மோஷன். ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் லெட் அஸ் see, consider a distance and displacement. Okay, consider a body moving from the point A. It moves along the path giving in the reaches the point B. The total length of the path traveled by the body from A to B is called distance. So A to B is called distance traveled by the body. The length of the straight line AB is called displacement of the body. Length, okay va, இப்படி turn ஆகி போகிறது displacement. Okay, first let us see distance. The actual length of the path traveled by a moving body respective of the direction is called the distance traveled by the body. So the actual length of the path traveled by the moving body irrespective of the direction is called the distance traveled by the body. So it is measured in meter in SI system. It is a scalar quantity having magnitude only. ஸோ மேக்னிடியூடு ஒன்லி இங்கே இருக்குது, நோ டைரக்ஷன். ஸோ அதனால் இது வந்து என்னது, ஸ்கேலார் குவான்டிட்டி. நெக்ஸ்ட் லெட் அஸ் see displacement. It is defined as the change in position of a moving body in a particular direction. It is called displacement. It is a vector quantity. So having both magnitude and direction. So it is a vector quantity. It is also measured in meter in SI system. SI system unit is very very important. Okay, distance also meter and displacements also meter. So in this topic is over. Next topic I will send you later. Thank you.